So today I'll be introducing you to Klok Potential Airdrop. This airdrop has already raised $9 million in funding, and what you basically need to do here is to chat with Klok AI model and earn Mira points. It's one of the easiest airdrop to perform. You earn Mira points while chatting with the Klok AI. Every day you are privileged to earn at least 100 Mira points because you are given the opportunity to ask or chat with the AI up to 10 times. You can ask questions up to 10 times, and each question earns you 10 Mira points. So 10 multiplied by 10 will give you a total of 100 Mira points. So this is the basic way to earn Mira points on this airdrop. Another way to earn is by inviting your friends. You can click on this get more prompts here and copy your referral link. When you copy your referral link, you'll be able to share to your friends, and by the time your friends join with your referral link, you'll be able to earn Mira points as well. You can see that at the moment I have a total of 550 Mira points. Chat points, I have 350 chat points and 200 referral points. So this is where you ask your questions. This is how my dashboard looks like, but before then you need to click on the link in the description of the video. By the time you click on the link, you'll be able to connect either your wallet or your Gmail. When you connect your wallet or your Gmail or your Google account, it will bring you here where you start chatting with the Klok AI. Okay, let's start. When you come here, you can read this. Tell me more about Klok. Klok Intelligence is an integral component of the Mira network ecosystem designed to do this and that. Now, you come down here, you see Ask Me Anything. Ask Me Anything. My points at the moment is 550. You can see on top of this place, I have 0 of 10 prompts used. I have not used any of my points for today. Now I'm going to use it. What question should I ask? Okay, let me ask this question. How can I earn extra Mira points? Extra Mira points on Klok. So that's the question. The first question I'll ask. I'll send it to process. Just be watching this page to know if my points is going to increase from 550 to 560. You can see it. It has given me extra 10 points. How can I earn extra Mira points on Klok? So that's the first question I've asked for today. You can ask another question. Okay, let me go through this, and possibly there is a way I do this. Sometimes I can just copy something from here. I can copy Klok multilingual support this. I can copy this from here to here and now paste on ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to generate questions for me. I can ask ChatGPT to generate up to 9 questions or 8 questions for me, and I'll paste these questions right here and earn my points. So that is basically how to earn points here on Klok. Let me ask one more question. I can say, okay, from this place they said by supporting multiple languages, Klok enables users from diverse linguistic backgrounds to participate in the Mira network. Now let me ask, how does Klok support multiple languages? So that's the second question. Then I'm sending it now. So let's watch if this will increase from 560 to 570. Okay, you can see that this did not earn me any points, and my the prompt used is still 1 of 10 prompts. Sometimes you can ask a question and no Mira points will be added to you, and the prompt will still be there. Network can be the issue most times, so what you need to do is to ask another question and earn your points. Okay, let me look for another one. Klok fosters community engagement and participation. Let me ask this question. How does Klok foster community and communication? Let me see if this will earn me some points. I believe it will. So let's see if this will change from 560 to 517. I'm watching it. You can see I've been able to earn additional Mira points, and you can see also here that 2 of 10 prompts have been used. So I still have 8 more prompts left for today. And if I want to earn more points, I will also copy my referral link and share. So whoever joins through my link, I'll earn extra Mira points. You can see that this is basically one of the easiest airdrop to partake in. So I will encourage you to join and earn your Mira points. This particular airdrop has already raised $9 million in funding and is going to be huge from the look of things. So thank you for watching and best of luck as you join Klok Potential Airdrop. Bye for now.